Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to tell you about a feature called short video which is available in YouTube right now. I'm going to explain all the things in the short video, how to use and what are the eligibility and why the people are using with no subscribers also. I will tell you clearly why it is available for all the users. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Now let's move into the video. Remember one thing, the short video is only available for the mobile users only. You can make the short video while you are using the YouTube application in the mobile only. You can't use this feature, YouTube short or what stories or anything you call. You should use while you are using the mobile application only. You can't use this feature while you are using the YouTube from Google Chrome or any browser. Now this is my YouTube application which I am using in my mobile. I am showing you from my mobile by mirroring into the laptop. I just opened my application. After opening my application, you can see here. If you go down, you can see here like there is these are all short videos. All are creating short videos with no subscribers, also with many subscribers. Also, they are all creating these videos without any subscribers. No, these are all many videos. You can see here. You can watch all this. Now let's see how to create these short videos. The YouTube application should be up to date to visible this feature in your mobile application. Just touch this button. Remember one thing, you should have a channel first. After creating a channel, just click this plus button. After clicking this, you can see here clearly create short, and there is a beta type. You can see here in the right side column, you can see the beta means it is a beta version, not fully released version. So this is available for all the users with channel, with no subscribers, with 10 subscribers or anything. This is available for all the users who are having a channel, YouTube channel, so they can use this and enjoy this one till the full version is released. Remember this thing. This is clearly mentioned in the YouTube help center. I will show you the image of the eligibility criteria, what is written in the YouTube help center. Look, this is in the YouTube help center. I have taken the screenshot of this. Here you can see in the note, the stories feature is in beta. It is clearly mentioned and available to the all eligible channels with over 10,000 subscribers. Remember, after it is fully released, this is available for 10,000 subscribers. It may take up to 8 weeks for the stories to show up after reaching 10,000 subscribers. If you reach 10,000 subscribers, also you have to request to YouTube to get that feature into your mobile. After that, it will take 8 weeks to your stories uploaded on the YouTube, and after uploading, it will stay in the stories till 7 days. After that, it will be automatically deleted. And remember, here also mentioned that if your channel is only for kids, if you have set the channel as made for kids, you can't use this. It is clearly mentioned here. Remember, all the channel who are making this for kids only, you can't use this, because this feature is like making TikTok videos, all the things. Now let's go into after that. After clicking the plus sign, I clearly show. After clicking this plus symbol in the YouTube application in your mobile, you have to click this create a short. If you are using this for first time, it will ask you to allow the camera access. Just allow it. After that the camera will open, or you can record the things. You can record the video and you can upload it directly into the YouTube. The speed should be, you can select the speed also, and you can set the timer, how much duration video you should have to record. You can add music. There are some, if you click this one, there are some inbuilt music available. You can use this, and you can create this short video by uploading some pictures into it. Add some pictures and it will create a video automatically. You can add some stickers, all the things. But till how many days? Till the full version is released. Till that you can enjoy this feature. No need of any subscribers in your channel. You can enjoy this till the full version is released. Till it is in beta version, you can enjoy this. So it is available for everyone. So everyone are making these shorts with no subscribers also. Just the application should be up to date. Remember, you can't use this while you are using YouTube in browser. You should have application in your mobile only. Then only you can use this option by clicking the plus button. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.